Have you ever wondered why Spanish has more letters than English? Let's unlock them together in under 4 minutes. Does Spanish have 26, 27, or 30 letters? Keep your guess. In this video, you'll learn every letter's name, its sound, and the 4 characters English doesn't have. Ready for our letter echo game? When a tile lights up, shout the letter back like an echo. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, A, J, K, L, Y, M, N, O, Y, N, Y, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, O, W, X, Y, Z. Notice B and V? They're twins. Both sound like beh. So context is key. Say hola to Spanish's exclusive squad. Che in churro. Ella in pollo. Inye from piñata. And the double rumbly ere in burro. Letter names sorted, now hear their sounds. Sound splash time. Hear it, then splash it back in your silliest voice. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, A, J, K, L, Y, O, Y, M, N, N, Y, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, O, W, X, Y, Z. Watch how the letter C changes in Spanish. When C is followed by A, O, or U, like in ka, ko, or ku, it sounds like K. For example, casa, comida, cultura. But when C is followed by E or I, like in se or si, it softens to an S sound. For example, ciencia, zebra. Let's try the same trick, but this time with the letter G. When G is followed by A, O, or U, like in ga, go, or gu, it sounds like a hard G, just like in the English word go. For example, gato, goma, gusano. But when G is followed by E or I, like in ge or gi, it softens to a throaty H sound. For example, gente and gigante. And now, silent partner alert. The letter H is always silent in Spanish, no sound. Hotel sounds like hotel. Easy win. Here's a mini challenge. You've got 5 seconds. Letters will pop up. Say each one out loud before time runs out. Quick recap. Spanish has 30 letters. 26 you already know. Plus che, eye, enye, ere. B and V, they sound the same. Soft buzz. C has two sounds, like K before A, O, U, like in casa. And S before E or I, like in cine. G is tricky too. It's a soft H before E or I, like in gente. And a hard G before A, O, U, like in gato. H, always silent. Don't pronounce it. Just skip it. Lock this in, and you've got the whole Spanish alphabet on speed dial. Buen trabajo! Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.